And we have some good news for Coloradans expecting a TABOR refund this year. The IRS reversed course and said it will not be considered taxable income. Last August, the IRS said it would consider TABOR refunds taxable, but a bipartisan group of lawmakers urged the agency to reconsider, arguing this was simply repayment of excess tax by the state. So refunds are estimated to be $800 for single filers, $1,600 for married couples.
The IRS announced this week that it will begin accepting 2024 tax returns starting on January 29th.
Under federal law, employers have to send those W-2 forms out by the end of the month.
Denver 7 reporter Jessica Crawford joins us now with tips to get through this tax season. Jessica?
Well, life is expensive, and the last thing that many people want to do is owe money on their taxes. Syracuse University tracks who the IRS flags the most, and the data shows that IRS audits are yet another area where low-income earners are hit the hardest. The IRS will start accepting tax returns in less than 3 weeks. As you prepare to file, what are your chances of being audited? Well, it depends a lot on the money you make. First, let's talk low-income earners. According to a report released by Syracuse University, people making less than $25,000 per year who claim earned income tax credits are among the most likely to be audited. Then there are millionaires. People reporting an income of $1 million or more appear to be the most audited, but the report actually shows that they're subjected to thorough investigations less often than our nation's poorest taxpayers are audited. Business owners are more likely to be audited than most other taxpayers. Complicated tax returns have a higher likelihood of being flagged. And good news for middle-income earners. Taxpayers reporting less than $200,000 per year in income are among the least likely to be audited.
All right, back here in the studio. Earlier this year, IRS said it was going to crack down on people who have side jobs that they don't report as on their taxes as income. They use Venmo or PayPal. Is that still going on?
Yeah, so a lot of people do that out there. Well, the IRS actually postponed that rule change until later on. So originally, if you made more than $600 for selling goods or services via payment apps like Venmo, Cash App, Etsy, even Airbnb, those companies would have to report that income to the IRS. Well, the IRS is delaying that rule. So that means for now, those third parties only have to report your income if you conducted more than 200 business transactions and earned more than $20,000 from them.
And everyone always wants to know, how can they pay less taxes, especially looking ahead to 2024?
Yes, so good thing we're starting out early in the year thinking about this. I spoke with an MSU Denver professor and tax attorney, Gregory Clifton, who says that it's all about reducing your taxable income. So put more money in your retirement and health savings accounts, and above all, be honest. Lying on your taxes can cost you big in penalties.
It's never a good idea to violate federal law. It's never a good idea to violate state law, or purposefully provide inaccurate information to the government. Then you are putting yourself and your family at risk.
And one last thing, start planning to file your taxes now. Penalty fees start accruing the day after those taxes are due, and federal and state taxes are due April 15th of this year. Reporting in the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.